Why are there 5 pillars of Islam?
Okay, so the question is, why are there 5 pillars of Islam? First of all, we have to clarify that these pillars do not refer to physical pillars, but these are 5 basic duties in Islam. And of course, in addition to in a building, you not only have pillars, but you have walls and ceiling and windows and so on, and doors, and these come later. But these are the 5 basic duties that one must adhere to in order to be a true Muslim. And first is the declaration of faith. You know, when you want to enter the fold of Islam, you have to recite the declaration of faith. Then as soon as you have become a Muslim, then you have to perform 5 daily prayers. And then you have to observe fasts. And then you have to give charity. And 5th one is performing pilgrimage of Mecca, where the Kaaba is. Go through the rites or RITES rites of the ritual of Hajj, pilgrimage. And once in a lifetime, if one is physically fit and can afford to do so.